And we have new details tonight related to former Penn State President Graham Spanier.
New rulings come down less than a day before Spanier was set to report to jail. Our Evan Hinckley is following this story. He joins us live from State College with the update. Evan?
Yeah, good evening, John, Amanda. About 9 hours from now, Graham Spanier had arrived or planned to arrive at the Center County Jail, but now that will no longer be the case, as a federal judge late today threw out Spanier's conviction of a child endangerment charge, which means, as I said, Spanier will no longer be going to jail, at least not tomorrow, and instead he may be retried under a new application of the law as per the judge's decision. After multiple appeals in the state court system, it appeared that former Penn State President Graham Spanier was heading to jail. But in what felt like the 11th hour, federal judge Carolyn Mahalchik agreed with Spanier's notion that he was improperly charged with endangering the welfare of children. The judge ruled using a 2007 version of a child endangerment law versus a 1995 version violated due process. But the state disagreed in the original trial.
They were arguing that the current law, at the time the incident was discovered, should be the law that was used.
Judge Mahalchik also ruled that instructing the jury to use this 2007 law was not a harmless error and further violated Spanier's right to due process. The 1995 law only says if you endanger the welfare of a child, you have to be a parent or a guardian supervising children. But the 2007 definition added the phrase, or a person that employs or supervises such a person, which applied to Spanier.
Under the 1995 statute, it's almost impossible to charge him with the crime.
Meaning a future conviction may not happen for Spanier.
It's going to be very difficult. I mean, that they can try to appeal this decision of the federal judge to a higher court in the federal system.
The state attorney general's office said they're currently reviewing the federal judge's ruling. And the judge in that, the federal judge specifically, basically said that the state attorney general's office should retry Spanier within the 1995 version of that law within the next 90 days. And we reached out to Graham Spanier and his lawyer. Both declined to comment. Reporting live here in State College, Evan Hinckley, WTAJ News.
Former Penn State trustee Anthony Lubrano tells WTAJ he feels justice has been served. He felt Spanier, his senior managers, and Joe Paterno were wrongly vilified after Jerry Sandusky's arrest. Lubrano writes, quote, "I hope that the Attorney General has enough good sense to not further waste taxpayer dollars for political gain by chasing down a rabbit hole, a prosecution that should never have been brought."